It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, hadith number 969. The Prophet said, there are no deeds better than the deeds done on the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. There are no deeds done on any other day better than the deeds done on the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. So the Sahaba asked the Prophet, what about jihad? The Prophet said, even jihad, the deeds done on the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are better even than jihad, except if jihad is done with the wealth and the life of the person, and the person returns back without any of the two. That means if a person goes for jihad with his wealth and his life and he is martyred, that is the only deed, one deed, which is better than the good deeds done in the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah.